Da-na-na-na-na-na-na. I feel like I am 10 years late to this, but I'm still gonna do it because I want to. This is my favorite bag ever that I've ever bought. I've had this since, I wanna say like 2016, but I'm not 100% sure. It's the Givenchy Antigona Mini, and I like small bags, so I usually just go with small sizes of bags, but this is definitely one of my favorites. I was thinking about doing a handbag collection, so if you would wanna see that. I used to buy designer bags before I moved out and lived by myself, and now I pay rent, so, but I do have a good collection that I've amassed from that time, so I will be more than happy to do a video if anyone wants to see it. But right now we're gonna be focusing on what's inside this bag and kind of reviewing the bag itself. I've had it for so long and there's not one scratch on it. I'll just start by saying that. I will show you what's in my bag, and then if you wanna see like a review of the actual person, stick around at the end. The first thing, of course, has to be my phone, right? I mean, really, you can relate, I'm sure. I did do a what's on my iPhone XS Max as soon as I got it. I'm kind of regretting getting this size. I kind of wish I had gotten the smaller size, but regardless, it's an amazing phone and I really love it. But I did a video on what is on it. This is so weird. I'm just gonna take random things out of here. So the next thing I have is hand sanitizer. That's kind of a must for me. I get grossed out. I'm weird about, like after I pump gas at the gas station, I will sanitize my hands. I just like to have it on hand. Next thing are my keys. That's a must. So my little Swarovski key chain thing that I have, but my car key, my little key fob to get into my apartment, house keys, etc., etc. Really exciting stuff. The next thing I have, I'll show these two together because it's always a must for me to have these. A powder and a brush. And actually with that, I have oil blotting sheets. So I have the DHC oil blotting papers in here at all times. Once I finish them, I definitely won't be repurchasing these. I did not like them. They're really thin and they don't really do the job very well. I find that I need multiple to actually get anything out of it, but whatever. So once I blot, I'll use my e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Perfect Finish HD powder in the color Clear. Seriously, such a great dupe for the Makeup Forever pressed powder. Oh my god, I forgot the name. And then this little brush is from Glossier. Oh god, I think I just broke it. This little brush is from Glossier and it's in a little pouch, which is why I keep it in my bag, because again, with germs, like I don't like to just throw a bag in my bag. I don't like to just throw a brush in my bag and have it go everywhere and touch my phone and my wallet and stuff, so that is that. I have my work ID, which is on the other side of this, obviously, but need that to get into the building. And then this little pill box, it's funny, everyone makes fun of me for my little pills, but I keep like Gaviscon in here for heartburn and just like some ibuprofen and allergy meds and things like that. Melatonin sometimes. I like to have this on hand, especially because I get heartburn. Next thing I have is my wallet. This is a Ferragamo wallet, but it is actually a men's wallet. My dad bought this for himself a long time ago and just didn't end up using it, so he gave it to me for Christmas and I love it and I've been using it nonstop. So it has see, it's like a trifold situation, has tons of pockets. So I really, really love this, and it just is sentimental because my dad gave it to me. Something weird and kind of random that I like to keep in my bag are Truvia packets, because I've tried to eat relatively low carb. So if I ever have to make coffee or if I ever want to put sugar in my iced tea, I'll just use these because they don't have carbs or calories. I don't care, I don't ever count calories, but just try to eat low carb because it makes me feel better. So these have kind of recently become a must in my bag, actually. Gum always, or mints. I'm actually running out of gums. This is like the last stick I have, but gum or mints, I like to have both on me. I'm weird about breath. The next thing I keep are lip products, and this is just me being like conservative about how many lip products are in my bag because usually they're probably like 15, but on a normal basis, I will always, even if I have nothing else, I will have Aquaphor on me. I have this everywhere, in my car, in my bathroom, in my purse, at work, just everywhere. Aquaphor is a must. And then I will try to keep just a small lip liner. This is the NYX Peekaboo Neutral lip liner, and it's running out, so that's why I thought it's a perfect size to kind of keep in my bag. And then I'll usually put in whatever is on my lips. Right now I'm wearing Champagne Mommy by ColourPop, so I throw that in and then I never take it out. So throughout the week it'll just amass, I will just amass tons of lip products in my bag. Then I'll have to dump them out at the end of the week. Another random thing is a pen. I always forget to put this in my bag when I switch bags, because I do switch bags a ton, but I always keep really the same amount of products in my bags. This is a Parker pen. It's pretty old. My dad used to have it. It was his and he just gave it to me, and it's awesome quality. And whenever it runs out, I just unscrew it and replace the ink, and it's a nice way to not create as much waste, although you're still creating waste with this. I haven't done my research to see how I can responsibly dispose of the, oh my God, I forgot what it's called, like the ink, but it's nice to replace it and have a really nice pen to use. The next two things are super, super important. One, I can't see far away. I'm nearsighted, so during the day I'm okay, but at night, especially if I'm driving or if I'm watching a movie at the theater or going to a concert, I must have my glasses on. So these are my glasses. These are just really cheap. I actually got these from EyeBuyDirect, and I think they have a referral code for like friends and family or whatever, but I will, if I can find that, I'll link it because I love these and I've told a bunch of people about them, and a lot of people have bought from them. But I love the little clear glasses, but I have a ton of the EyeBuyDirect glasses, a bunch, because I got like 5 pairs for like 40 bucks with my prescription. My mom instilled in me from a young age to always be wearing sunglasses when I'm outdoors, so I'm just used to it. But right now I'm wearing this pair, which is this funky alien looking pair from Vida Antigua. I love these. Vida Antigua is a vintage store in Houston. I will link their info below. But always have sunglasses and eyeglasses on me. If anything, I would say the eyeglasses are more important, because if I get stuck driving without them at night, I'm freaking out. The last thing I keep in here is a little perfume atomizer. This is called Flow. I got this from Ulta. I actually have a few of them, and it's out right now. I need to refill it, but I always like to refresh my perfume throughout the day. I'm really weird about, and I say this, but I think everyone's like this, I'm weird about like smelling nice. So I always want to make sure like I have my perfume and I'm able to like re-up when I need to. So I love this. I think it was $10 from Ulta. So that's it. That is all that's in my bag, but just a quick like mini review. I love this bag so much, and I like that the straps are easy to remove. I love this bag. The straps are easily detachable. I think it's a great size because it's small and compact, but it fits so much stuff, and that's why I bought it, because it's small, but it still is roomy. And it really doesn't have a scratch or a ding or anything, and it has like maybe like a little stain on it, like I can wipe off that I haven't, but I've had it for so long. Even the bottom of the bag looks almost brand new, and I set this on the floor sometimes. I know you're not supposed to, but the only thing that's annoying is that it's a little bit hard to open up because of the shape. It's a little hard to get into the bag, and sometimes you end up scratching your hands on the zipper because it's a really big zipper. Otherwise, I love it. I love that it has a top handle and a strap, and it just is a great bag. So that is what is in my Givenchy Antigona Mini. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what's in your bag, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!